Alright, so what do you want to cook, ZANIA?
Where's the food?
Wait, I think it's here. Is it in there? Or is it there? You can't dig around.
I want this one.
You want that?
No.
Or,
Let me see.
why don't you make... Let's see. That looks good.
Let's make this.
Why don't we make the corn?
I want to make this.
I'll make this. Wait, first ask Grandpa Tim.
Grandpa, can we make this?
No, not that.
No, try something else. Just try something else. So put that back in there. And let's look for the top of the corn. Ask Grandpa Tim.
Grandpa!
What's that, corn? You want to make some corn? If you want to.
Okay.
I've made it for you before. You won't use it.
Okay, so ZANIA. Ooh, okay. Ah, okay. So, what we could first do is,
Put the corn in the bowl and then wash it or something?
yeah, or so, you don't need to do that first. Let's just wash the pan. So keep this aside. It's still oily, so why don't you get some,
Soap?
why don't you get some soap, and then use the, yeah, put it there,
Can't.
Why don't you pull over the stepping stool. And then you could put that down there.
No, I need
And then you could use one of, don't use that, use
sponge. Can you give me the
which
sponge?
which one do you want?
This one.
This one? Okay. So why don't you put the, so
Grease.
put it
on the
down there,
bottom.
and then you can bring over the stepping stool. It might be easier.
It's okay.
Okay. So you feel that grease?
Huh?
Okay, and then you could turn on the hot water. Mm-hmm.
I am hot.
Alright, hot. Okay, now put that in there. Under
Can you
the.
bring your baby too?
Huh?
You might can come in with the pool with us.
Oh, the pool?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys gonna do a pool?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how I feel.
If you bring with your baby. If
Okay.
you bring your baby too.
Okay. So you gotta keep washing it and keep dumping out the soap.
Yeah. I already know what to do.
Okay.
I do everything for my mom.
Oh.
So she usually tells me what to do and
Oh,
what to
good
not
job.
do. So
Good job. So ZANIA.
I do the dishes for laundry.
Whoa.
Because she's pregnant.
Oh, she's pregnant?
Yes.
Are you gonna become a master chef and have a cooking show?
I want a cooking show, but now I want paint.
Ooh,
I
nice.
love art.
You like art? Why do you love art?
I love art because you can make I pretend I'm drawing the baby.
Yeah,
Like you make stuff. It's so creative.
Yeah, it's so creative, right? Do you
So
like?
I'm a creative master of drawing. So I
Ooh,
want
creative master of drawing. I like it.
painter.
Oh, a painter?
Mhm.
Is painting your favorite?
I also like music too.
Music too? Music's nice, right?
Huh?
I love music too. Okay, do you think that's clean yet? Let's see, is there any soap?
Nope.
Okay, cool. So what you could do?
Some water.
Okay.
Now we have to dry.
Alright, so you could
Dry.
dry it. Okay.
Ooh, whose coffee is this?
I think it's my coffee. Let me move it. Okay.
Grandpa Tim makes coffee here?
That's me and Cindy's coffee.
Where's the coffee maker?
This one.
Oh.
Okay. Alright, so
Just kidding, I know it.
ah, you know what it is? Okay, so let's put it on top of the stove. Okay. So this is actually the tricky thing, ZANIA. So let me teach you. Okay. So there's two directions. So you see on this side it says dual. Dual means two, and this one is single. Okay. So if you look at this, right? It's dual because this is single, and this is dual. So let's look at this, right?
Let's do the single.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so once you turn that to single.
This is single.
No, so this says D-U-A-L.
Oh, single,
dual,
single.
S-I-N-G-L-E. So turn that to right. Oh, also before you do it, I'll teach you. Can you read this? Low, L-O-W. This is high, H-I-G-H. So do you want it high or low? Because we were trying to boil water first. It should be high. Okay. Good. Cool.
Now let's get some water in a bowl.
Wait. So ZANIA, let's first read the instructions. So let's turn to the back. So where do you think the instructions are?
Right here in the bottom. Oh, right
here.
here.
Okay. So take off the rubber band first, so we can read it. We'll read it together. Okay. So let's.
Oh, is it
oh,
open? It's open already.
Okay. Let's read it together. Okay. So it says right here. Stovetop instruction.
Stovetop instructions.
Okay. So I'll read it to you. Empty into a saucepan. Add half a cup of water.
Okay. Empty in a saucepan.
Okay, so all you have to do, ZANIA, actually no, you don't have to do that. You can just put this in the, you can put that in the pot. Okay. The pot is also a saucepan. So why don't you take this?
Dump it in.
Dump it in. Ah! That's okay. We could clean this up later. That's fine. That's okay. You just put it in the sink. All right. So just dump that all in here.
All of it?
Yeah, all of it.
Okay, now add half spoon of water.
Okay. Oh, so no, half a cup of water.
Yeah, half a cup. This one?
So, okay, read this. Read this. This too, right?
Yeah.
This says 1 cup, half cup.
Half cup.
Half cup?
Is that it?
Mm-hmm. And then put it on over.
And then put it in?
Put it in. I think it needs a little bit more water, so let's do another half cup. And put that in.
Wait, I want to do a little bit more.
Do a little more.
All the way to the top. To be top.
Okay. And pour it in. Okay. Do you think that's enough water? What do you think?
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay. So what you could do.
Cause look, it's already trying to not be cold.
Okay. So now what we can do is let's look for a lid.
I'll leave that right here.
You leave that, and then you can throw that in the trash can. So.
I know where the trash
Oh, okay. Okay. So let's look for the lid.
Ow!
So where are the lids? So which lid do you think will fit? Which one? You think that one? You can try that. Does it fit? Too big or too small? Is it a bigger one?
The baby's crying.
Baby's crying.
That's good.
Okay, that's good. Alright. So let's close this. So every time you do things, you just want to keep it down so you can just keep things neat.
Okay, what do we do next?
So you have to do is you have to wait until it's done boiling. So do you know when it's boiling or not? You'll hear it boiling. Okay. So I think. Oh, watch out for this.
I'm back. What is that?
This is tea.
What is that?
Cindy's tea. It says ginger tea.
That's your ginger tea?
Uh-huh.
Okay, why is there stuff in it?
So what you could do,
Why
ZANIA?
is there stuff in it?
Oh, the stuff is like ginger. It's nice and spicy. It feels good for your stomach. Okay, so what you could do is typically if this wants to boil, we could set a timer.
I see smoke.
See smoke?
Come here.
Okay, so what you can do is take off the lid.
Come here, guys. Look, I'll show you the smoke.
See the smoke?
See the smoke? I'm trying to...
See, let's look at what it looks like inside.
Oh,
It's not boiling yet, right?
No.
Huh? So what you could do is you can set a timer. Because sometimes it takes 5 minutes for it to time. So have you ever used this timer here?
Yeah.
So do you know how this timer works?
Yeah.
How do you do to 5 minutes? Let me see you do 5 minutes. So to 5, and then start. Which one's the start button? Okay, perfect. So you can put it back on the fridge,
I'll put it over here.
or you can leave it there, and then just wait for that to count down. Alright, so let's just wait.